Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program. And guess who was supposed to be there? President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama. But we know that he couldn't make it because he had to attend to other events at the capital. And then the Lands and Natural Resources Minister. But we do also understand that some sector ministers who are related to the fight against illegal mining will also be able to be there and speak to it. It's unclear as of now the civilians who were on board this aircraft that the Ghana Army says is missing.
What can you report? Because you were on the ground covering this event at which this helicopter was headed, right? To which this helicopter was headed. What do you know so far? What are your sources telling you has happened?
Helicopter that was headed for Obuasi has gone missing. We understand this helicopter was carrying some dignitaries or delegation from Accra to Obuasi, and we already know that Obuasi was hosting the responsible cooperative mining and skills development program that was organized by the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. And during these events, during the submission of the Ashanti Regional Minister, that's when we had indication that this incident had happened in the Asokwa municipality, Adansi Asokwa municipality of the Ashanti region. As we speak currently, we are headed to the place. We understand the place is around Sikaman in the Adansi Asokwa area. And so that is where we are headed as we speak now. And we are still trying to find where the helicopter is as of now. And until we find the helicopter, we'll be bringing you subsequent updates what is currently happening on the ground, the people who are involved, the delegations who are involved, whether there are any government officials involved, and also the number of people that were involved in this particular incident that has happened in the Adansi Asokwa.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a sad moment to the whole of Ghana, as it is said that a military helicopter crashed with 5 government officials in it. This is really sad news, like to the whole of Ghana, not just them, but the whole of Africa and the world at large. It's tragic. It's tragic. I won't lie, I'm not happy about this news, and I believe you are not happy also. I'm just thinking about the family that lost their beloved ones. You know, you will never understand the pain of losing someone until maybe 1 or 2 people are normal with you on this earth. That's when you will recognize how painful it is to lose a soul. So according to the title of this very video we are about to check out, it says, breaking, military helicopter crash at Obuasi as 4 top government officials fired. Guys, let's get right into it in order for us to have a better understanding of this video. Let's watch and I'll be right back.
Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program. And guess who was supposed to be there? President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama. But we know that he couldn't make it because he had to attend to other events at the capital. And then the Lands and Natural Resources Minister. But we do also understand that some sector ministers who are related to the fight against illegal mining will also be able to be there and speak to it. It's unclear as of now the civilians who were on board this aircraft that the Ghana Army says is missing.
Indeed, and one of the things we will do for you, I've confirmed at least the 6 things we know if you're just joining us as far as this breaking story is concerned. We'll be going to the Jubilee House very shortly. Mark Solababa is our presidential correspondent, and he will join us with a few additional details. One of the things that he told me and yourself before we came on air, because we're running around trying to figure out what's happening, is that the president had to cancel
an event in the central region.
Exactly. And the president has cancelled a lot of his activities. In fact, all his activities have been cancelled for today. And we want to understand why. Secondly, we know that there's going to be a news conference pretty shortly. An emergency press conference is going to be happening pretty shortly. Again, that will give us a bit more detail as to what is happening. But you can see on your screens there the smoldering flames of what appears to be a crash of this helicopter in question. There are a few things we don't know.
Right.
Okay. First of all, this helicopter that went off radar, that the Ghana Armed Forces is confirming. Is it the same as what we've seen the videos of? That's one thing. Second point that, of course, we don't know. The regional minister who chairs the Regional Security Council of the Ashanti region confirmed there was an emergency. And so he abruptly left this event and headed to try and deal with it. And that is understandable, because once it's happening in the Ashanti region, and he is the security chair, the regional security chair, such a major security incident, he would have to immediately chair the security operation to try and get it under control, right? The first thing he would have done was to say rescue,
of course,
right? If the plane has gone off, the helicopter has gone off the radar, the Ghana Armed Forces confirming they cannot track it on the radar. What has happened to it? They need to establish that first, and that is somebody who would be dealing with that. That's the regional minister who chairs the Regional Security Council. The third thing they will need to do is mobilize first respondents, ambulance, the military itself. We need to track and locate this particular helicopter. Also, because we had dignitaries on board. These are high-valued individuals. Who, by the way, I want to go to my colleague Bright. You see him in the vehicle now because he's headed to the crash site. And Bright, what can you report? Because you were on the ground covering this event at which this helicopter was headed, right? To which this helicopter was headed. What do you know so far? What are your sources telling you has happened?
As we already know, we understand that a helicopter that was headed for Obuasi has gone missing. We understand this helicopter was carrying some dignitaries or delegation from Accra to Obuasi, and we already know that Obuasi was hosting the Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program that was organized by the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. And during these events, during the submission of the Ashanti Regional Minister, that's when we had indication that this incident had happened in the Asokwa municipality, Adansi Asokwa municipality of the Ashanti region. As we speak currently, we are headed to the place. We understand the place is around Sikaman in the Adansi Asokwa area. And so that is where we are headed as we speak now. And we are still trying to find where the helicopter is as of now. And until we find the helicopter, we'll be bringing you subsequent updates what is currently happening on the ground, the people who are involved, the delegations who are involved, whether there are any government officials involved, and also the number of people that were involved in this particular incident that has happened in the Adansi Asokwa municipality. So as we speak now, we are still headed. We are looking for this particular helicopter that was headed for the Obuasi, but unfortunately got missing midway. That is around Adansi Asokwa area, and we are almost there. We are hoping to find this helicopter and update our viewers and audience in our subsequent bulletin. Evan, so this is what we can pick up so far.
If I may come in, so you covered this launch. Can you run us through the government officials who are supposed to be at this program?
All right, so Elton, initially from the MC's commentary, we understand that the defense minister was supposed to join this particular delegation to come to the event. But unfortunately, during the arrival, we only saw the Lands and Natural Resources Minister, that's Emmanuel Kofi Amabwa, and also the Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amwakohene, coming to this particular event. And right after the submission of the Ashanti Regional Minister, he quickly sought for permission to leave the premises and go attend to this particular incident that has happened in the Adansi Asokwa area. So we understand that the delegation, it was just the defense minister that was supposed to join. Apparently, the president, that's John Dramani Mahama, as we've seen on the flyer of the program, was supposed to be the guest speaker for the event. But unfortunately, he couldn't join us. We do not know the reasons why he could not come. But we understand from the commentaries from the master of ceremony of the event, he said that the defense minister was supposed to be a part of the delegation that was supposed to be at the event. But we only saw the lands minister, the lands and natural resources minister, Emmanuel Kofi Amabwa, and also the Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amakohene, joining us at this particular event. We also had some dignitaries who were the Chamber of Mines. We're talking about the Environmental Protection Agency, who were all present at the event. But for those coming from Accra, we just confirmed that it was just the Defense Minister who was supposed to join this particular event. So, Elton, that is what we gathered from the event as well.
Right, how far are you from the crash site?
Okay, so Elton, as we speak now, we are headed to the Adanse Asokwa. I should say that some 15 minutes we should hopefully get around this particular area. That's the Sikaman area where the event unfortunately happened, and we'll bring you more updates in our subsequent bulletins. So Elton, that's what we can report for now.
So that's why the Ashanti Regional Minister, his comments that there was an emergency needed to attend to. The program went on successfully.
Yes, the program went on successfully. We had the Lands and Natural Resources Minister addressing the public or the gathering that was there. He assuring that the government is really committed to fighting the illegal mining and menace through the responsible cooperative mining and skills development program. And we know that this program is here to replace the community's small scale mining and also the national employment and livelihood program that was introduced by the erstwhile New Patriotic Party administration led by the ex-president Nana Akufo-Addo during that particular regime. And so the lands minister addressed this particular gathering at the event. We even closed and then we are headed for this particular area. That's where the incident happened and we are headed for this. So for the event, it ended successfully. Everyone being addressed, the dignitaries all gave their solidarity messages, ensuring that the government's fights against illegal mining would actually be something that can be attained in the coming years. And illegal mining, we understand illegal mining, over 5,000 hectares of lands have been destroyed through illegal mining activities. And Ghana, 40% of our gold exports are from the small scale mining industry. And so this event or this program that is coming would help regulate the small scale mining activities in the country. And so the Amabua, who is the lands minister, assured that
if you can just give me some few minutes,
local participation will be done.
Right, so I just wanted to understand, from the perspective
of Elton, I can hear you.
Of the Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council, have they provided any updates for the region in terms of what is happening now and what they are doing to get to the site of the crash?
Okay, so for now, Elton, we've not had any official communication from the Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council. We are trying to reach or establish sources with them and find out what they've been able to gather so far.
Live worship na near Chwaso Biaba. So near Yama Motige say Shambi Aquatiashe ewo brofedu no and one ye gusu ayede ebremo. If say near Yatieno HSA from Ghana Armed Forces nipa anwotre and I know William Shenumu. Nipa 8 and na a woman say nipa 8 no Q a camono miensa and a passengers 5 and na a woman. William Shenu 2 free cry say and none of pay non con and a William Sheni 2 free cry ha and tier 2 year air chrono. But in fortune said or when to me establish a contact was say or money or munya. If you say we am sharing yes or 2 year now pilot no timuno I was saying it on dear koso say at renchen be sikura noa I was saying it on dear be etumi koso but almost 2 year no ano na a contact na emma eti omuguso ye omadwuma ehwe information omo nsabeka by the initial information omo dia maye no ene say nipa nwotwe ena na ewomu farmers akuafo ene nipa ewo honom so chese womo no so omo kanyamu ehu ya video a yade atum live e wo Facebook and YouTube no se wo hwa a ne ehye wo ho ni nyina nipa na ehye no nipa da sani na wonumu ehye e wo fom ho no omo se omo hu nipa 9 se eno na na be ma no ka se ne onu ko hu ya na ne fa na na ahye no oso onu ni mu edu onu ni mu hwa o nipa kese onu ni mu edu etihwe ba omo aka ewo ho no nyina
obi te ho a no pese nko ba ho de o shatade yellow bi ogina onde o tiase ne o pese o ba ho nanso ontumi na o ba kra de no be because omo ahye omo nyina ahye untimi nyi obi ankwa hey
ye the mase Bisma Jesse or say baby asem no si no sikaman brofedu sikaman ewo adanse krofrum eho na asem no baby poti asem ni si ye no honomo a pokusi ye asefem sempa na atu ye wie na Joko Joseph or say chese dear na ekoso emisero we de nyese no mu ko tugala se ko ye adwumati yesre
bi adwumadi bia no nti mo bia mfa nko se galamse yesre mo anya galamse asem dwumadi a won ekubia no na akofa saa oyene ede
aba eti ye bom modern yesre mo mo amu kana bodin ne preko na bodin ne preko no etoda chese kotodwemu a yenya dansi yebesre adansi trodo na yenya ne yehu se no kwasem ye soafo ye boyi a eno no busuani ti a na chese onfa ne sunkogu ejemu kwa
o se busuafo rote ansa na yaka ho asem na wo ho ane bia nipa no o yere ana o na afi what radio so say na atu kuna enyefe
na enye no kure to de ha adwen Solomon dia wasi na Ghana dia na ekoso yi na gitk wasi nyame hu ye mobo baby adrundie nyame hu ye mobo Ebenezer Opoku wasi asem no chese wen ye kan se abo akwadwam ne atodwe abo akwadwam ne atodwe Samuel the documented baby adru no misremo Steven Manawaba de ayo de aba o se bi wan nyame anyi yo nyame nyi papa Veronica Mahen so o se nyame hunyemobo Emmanuel siasie o se chese di asem kura wonam fam abuei wonne kofa soro ani so buei na se yenye ho dan se fam nya soro nya dia hyen ne befa ye betu kwai Alexander Icon wasi nyame fam kransie yio na we de arehosem Rita Kenny Maku wasi nyame we de ya abroso Millicent Ntiamoa wonde ya chese jadro no otwa saa na Kwame Stallon GH wasi asem no awereho King G wasi nyame hu ye mobo Rosina say on so mpaibo no abi no ode ato so Noah mude on so awereho ni sun na Esther Pia sinyame hu ye mobo Kwadwo Okrate wasi asem o Awurade ne adri die soyemu na Echabia Abigail wasi nyame ene yesre no nyame yesrew Eric KT Donko wasi wieye brim ene ye wono nyame hu ye mobo nyame bakwaku wasi Victor Gali wasi asem no awereho na assemblyman Matthew Bansa babio ejaba enkomo no say meka kire wo say yenwie ye betoa so say ede no watie eja wo de wakoye paninkase ye wonpotamu wonti ede no watie so far
so far the man who say I feel state agency no police for no soldier for no abaha ye nhwemo asa ta no ntumi mpatin bia ntwa kontin say ho na matie e say nipa ndi aye no we ho say yi
Ewiano ya ne wo kasa assembly uma yete ase se wo mo ben ho no wo mo si nipa nan en wo mahuo wotie Ghana forces mpanimfo so de wo mo de ba ne wo mo kire ne se wiemhye ni tu ye na nipa nwotwe en ewomuo enti wo ye hu foforo bi se bi a enchen ho ba bi ye san hu nipa ni bi abeka ho
to say you be na ka na den de aye no mo say
Hello assembly dan wo kakra mayen Hello assembly Honorable ye bom modern sawa me ate ase se baby a ogina na wie ni nyino me ate ase se honom no network nsheda enye papa network nsheda enye papa na blessing for sudia yode aba.
Guys, this is really sad. It's a sad news, not just to Ghanaians, but to the whole world. What I'm seated right here and thinking about is how their family will feel You know, you will never know how hurtful it is until you lose one or two people that are part of you. You know, the pain of losing somebody that you guys have been together for years, and you wake up one day and see the person is normal. It will look like a dream to you, but with time you realize that the person is never gonna come back. I feel for their family. I sympathize with them also, and sympathize with the whole of Ghana. This is tragic and sad. It's really sad. I'm not happy, and I believe nobody will see this current situation and be happy about it. No matter how it is, these are lives. These are lives. And according to the news that President John Mahama is supposed to be part of them, but oh my God, his time has not reached. That's why, you know, God gave and he has taken. I'm not gonna pray for anybody to be in this kind of situation. Nah, I'm just thinking about the pain they've gone through. Man, this isn't a good news at all. When the news came to me, I'd be like, damn, why? But the question is, what brought the crash? What happened? Nobody even survived to tell the story. Everyone is gone. Everyone is gone. This is a sad news, guys. But then I have to end the video here. I hope you've gotten the information that you need to know. But in case you want to know more, you can visit Adom TV and likewise Joy TV, yeah, to know more about this, you know, tragic incident. Guys, I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. I love you. Bye.